Some auctions on KBID will ask that you schedule a time to remove your winning auction items. To do so, you can go to the Invoices section on your Winning Bidder dashboard. Underneath the upcoming removal schedule, you will see an option to schedule a time for your upcoming removal. If we click on Schedule a Time, that will take us to the available time slots for that auction removal. If we click the plus option, we'll see which times are available, and it will allow us to reserve a time that works best for us. Once reserved, you will see that you have an appointment for this auction removal and the date and time that appointment is. Again, on your dashboard, within the Invoices section, once you've made that appointment, you can always view it or add it to your calendar. Should you need to cancel an appointment, go to the View Appointment option, and you'll see there's a button for Cancel this appointment. Once canceled, you can reschedule a new appointment that works better for you. If you have any questions regarding this process or the reservation system, please contact the affiliate managing that auction. You can always get their contact information on the top of each auction page and on your invoice.